Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel. Yes, a different view today. We are in the lounge because of the size of the product that I have been sent. It is this here. It is a photo canvas from Photowall, who are based in Sweden. They offer canvases from yay big right up to oh my god that's ridiculous, and they even do wall murals that arrive a bit like wallpaper and you paste it on your wall, and I'd love to have done that, but alas we are in a rented property and so that's a no-go. So what we did is we went for a canvas of my granddaughter Olivia. We already have a picture of Oscar up there, so it's only fair, isn't it? You have to be fair with the grandkids. And so it arrived. Now Photowall do not send the canvas whole, as they say they've found that this damages the canvas in transit, and so what you get a bit of a kit, which is always a bit of fun, isn't it? Now I'm not going to be building this now. This is a what is in the box kind of thing, and I will sort something out about building it maybe at a later date. So what do we have? Well, my guess is that's the frame. So there you go, one frame, some instructions, and it looks like it has on the back double-sided tape to wrap the canvas round, but we've got one of those electric kind of stapler gadgety toys, and so we will use that to make sure it is properly on, although I'm sure they've tested this properly, and I guess I should use the 3M tape because that's how they sent it and I am reviewing it. I always mess up. We have a bag of, you know, like you get the old flat pack. I use this when I'm packaging. It's called a Nimble from version 22. So special people like me getting hurt. No, it doesn't. It's very good. If you're opening a lot of packages during the day or anything like that, it's got a sharp little blade there, but won't harm you. You give a cut and you're in. Highly recommend them. So we got some thumb screw type bolts. So it looks like to me that this isn't going to take it. No, it doesn't. It's got the built-in kind of screw things. It's not going to require a screwdriver or anything like that to put it together. So if you're not that great with DIY, do not fret. This is a simple thing, and that is 2 ruled plugs. Ruled, not raw, as my wife says. They have been cooked, and screws to place it upon the wall. And then the canvas itself. Now I think I went for, I think it's a 23 by 23. Let's have a look at what we've got here. This is obviously, they've got online, you can choose from thousands of prints, nature, film, cars, pets, wildlife, the whole lot, so you don't have to upload a picture. You can choose something off of there, religion, the categories. There's a lot of stuff on there, so you can just choose yourself a nice wall mural or a large canvas. And there it is, printed on canvas, cut in the corners for wrapping round. I've gone for the black border. You can have a wrap around or you can have a white edge. And I've gone for, there she is. Doesn't she look cute? She does, doesn't she, in the picture, believe me. She's a little bit lethal, this one. You get a wallop if you're not careful, but cute as hell. There you go. Her 15 minutes or 30 seconds of fame. 15 seconds of fame, I can't remember. And there you go, that is what you get from Photowall. I will get this uploaded, I will get a building kit put on, this is a building kit, I'll get a building review put on, and then we'll slap it up on the wall and give it a couple of weeks, see how it goes with the old 3M tape, and I will let you know how we get on. It will be an evolving, that's the word, it's getting technical, review for this one, and that is that. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to the channel for always honest reviews. Take care.